Hello everyone, it's group 36. Today we are gonna explain our analyze topic. How can Dharma DM book help the retail industry with data management for digital transformation? Today's presentation will be shown by Yuni, Xingyue, Chen Yu, Haoran, and Jinghui. With the internet becoming more popular and technology advancing rapidly, things have changed a lot in how customers in the retail industry buy stuff. Companies in retail are doing all they can to cope with the impact of the digital market. They are either already taking digital measures or planning to reduce the negative effects. When it comes to designing the IT architecture and running digital operations, data management is crucial for business. That's why we picked Dharma DM book as our guide for data management. It's comprehensive, standardized, and scalable. So here is how our presentation will go down today. First, Jinghui will give a quick overview of Dharma DM book and the basic of the retail industry. Then Chen Yu will explain some points of how Dharma DM book relates to retail. She will also stress the importance of Dharma DM book for managing enterprise data. After that, Xingyue will use Walmart as an example to show how Dharma DM book is actually used in real-life situation. And finally, Haozan will talk about the pros and cons of Dharma DM book after our analysis. So let's listen to Jinghui's explanation.
Currently, data management in the retail industry is not comprehensive, such as data records are lost and data management processes are poor, resulting in low-quality data that may affect the company's ability to formulate strategies in the long run. Inefficient data infrastructure also affects productivity in the retail industry, thereby affecting customer service and sales. To effectively solve these issues above, a single technical application may not be sufficient, but a new technical framework is more likely to be utilized to further improve the current problems in enterprise management, especially data management in the retail industry. Therefore, we apply Dharma DM book framework try to solve current issues. Dharma DM book provides guidance on the best practices and techniques managing each of these knowledge areas, as well as how to integrate them into a comprehensive data management program. The Dharma DM book framework consists primarily of following functions. Data governance. Data governance is authoritative and regulating activities of data asset management, including the planning, supervision, and administration of data management, as well as the utilization of data and data-related resources. Data architecture emphasizes the overall structure of data. It specifies enterprise data requirements and creates a plan to meet them. And others, data modeling and design, data storage and operation, data security, data integration, and interoperability, documents and content, reference and master data, data warehousing and business intelligence, metadata, data quality. Overall, Dharma's functions are very comprehensive and can help the retail industry solve problems in various dimensions in data management. Adopting the Dharma DM book framework would have a significant influence on an enterprise by improving data quality, reducing risk, and ensuring compliance with regulations and standards. It can also help to improve communication and collaboration among different teams and departments and provide a clear and structured approach to data management. Thank you so much.
In this section, I will introduce how Dharma framework used in retail industry from the relationship and the importance of the framework. It is important for every enterprise to plan a reasonable data management policy and process, which is one of the key factors to improve enterprise value and operational efficiency. Dharma framework can analyze, manage, and integrate the information from the data of company-related people and business activities. So next, I will introduce how the retail industry can manage data through the Dharma framework from metadata, data quality, and data maintenance. Metadata is simply a description of the classification of different data and information, which can help retail companies to package data and classify the large amounts of information in database. For example, a retail company can record and update transactions related to the company's operations in real time through a data management system that stores customer information, revenue expenditures, suppliers, and other information. but also need to ensure the accuracy of the data for subsequent use. High-quality data is the foundation for efficient data management operations. Through the way of data usage in DAMA frameworks, the retail industry can monitor the operational process of data quality by setting up corresponding data quality measurement indicators and rules to enhance the awareness of data quality. Moreover, improving data quality can also help companies to better achieve and meet their business goals. The control of data quality must be continuous planning, including the identification of data risk, so the data management process should be continuously monitored. And the enterprise should ensure the management of data by relevant staff. Data management can also collect and analyze metadata through the responsibilities of the different roles in the company. As introduced above, Data Framework is a framework that can help retail for standardized and complete data management. So it can help companies gain many competitive advantages in the retail industry. A data-driven management approach makes everything related to retail quantitative. DAMA Framework can help retailers better analyze the needs of consumers in the market. In addition, data management can help retailers manage their inventory more rationally. By analyzing the data beforehand, we can predict which products need to be supplied in large quantities and when they need to be supplied, thus avoiding the financial burden and improving the inventory turnover rate of company. It can also allow them to operate better by storing and analyzing customer information to improve operational efficiency and profitability. Next, Xingyue will introduce a case about this framework.
This section will compare Walmart's data management actions to DAMA DMBook and explore DAMA's application in a real case. Walmart's success in digital transformation cannot leave its ways of managing data. The DMBook pyramid defines different phases in the DAMA wheel. Each phase is dependent on the previous phases. We will explore Walmart's data management following this order. In phase 1, Walmart formed a strategic partnership with Microsoft Azure and chose it as a cloud solutions provider. Microsoft provides data storage and operation infrastructures and data security protection services, provides Walmart API service to solve its data integration and interoperability problem, which better integrates its interior data and external data. Microsoft also provides Cosmos DB and SQL database modules to support data modeling and design. At the same time, Walmart is building its own private cloud data cafe. In phase 2, Walmart owns a complex and massive amount of data. Its data tech team places great emphasis to ensure data quality, sets data policies and processing standards to ensure the good quality of data. The team also set rules to classify data to increase the clearness of the data architecture. It also established its own data quality assessment framework product, which can execute continuous data quality assessment and metadata governance. In phase 3, Walmart's data governance aligns with the company's strategic objectives, increase sales and improve customer service through digital transformation. Microsoft offers Walmart Azure Data Factory service, which provides a layer to integrate and transform data and enable data engineers to better manipulate data and serve business intelligence. It also has functions like Azure Files and Azure NetApp Files, which allows document sharing and management inside the organization. Finally, as a phase that actually brings organization values, Walmart's one of the world's biggest private cloud data cafe can process 2.5 petabytes of data per hour. We will explore how Walmart creates values through data analytics and big data from supply chain and sales aspects. The IoT technology allows Walmart to gather real-time data across the supply chain. By analyzing supply chain data, Walmart better manages its inventory and logistics. The supply chain becomes more efficient and saves time and costs for Walmart. With enormous computing capacity, Walmart uses big data to predict the market demand for its various products, reducing unnecessary resource waste and solving problems like rapid declines in sales of certain products. Next, Hao-Ran will explain the advantages and challenges of applying DAMA DMBook.
Hi guys, I'm Charles. So now to introduce the finding of applying Dharma with by the retail industry. So the first talk about the advantage of the Dharma framework. So regarding the benefits, Dharma can help the retail industry better understand the needs of customer. Dharma can provide the company with data modeling. This modeling can result in available data. So the retail industry can use the data view to understand customers and provide a good service to customers. So Dharma can define the framework to improve data security. It also it also allows analyze the company's large amount of data to improve the company's decision-making power and so avoid risks. The Dharma data security prevents the data leakage. For example, the customer information ensures Dharma as a data management framework can help the retail industry to serve customers to get competitive advantage among peers, avoid risks, and respond to accepted market policies in a timely manner. So let's talk about the challenges. So relative wide range of the coverage and the lack of resources. So this means that importance is that the company needs to consider spend a lot of manpower and the resources to adjust the framework. As well as not all companies match the Dharma framework. Secondly, use the Dharma framework, the retail industry needs some resources. So the retail industry is not skilled this area, so they need to spend a lot of money to train their staff to how to implement the Dharma framework. So data quality. So consequently, in use of in the issue of data quality, effective data management in the retail industry, where a single error data point can lead to significant losses for both customers and companies. So the retail industry on data to support its operations, and they must also want to ensure the data is high quality. So framework high traces. As such, the retail industry needs to consider the current Dharma framework might not cover the best practices and the guideline of the emerging technologies in timely manner. So the Dharma framework may be unable to keep up with the latest trends and the practices, leading a lag in available of some information. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. The next part we talk about the conclusion.
Today we explain a few things. Basic information on Dharma DM book and the ratio industry, the relationship between those two things. Using Walmart to show the use of Dharma DM book, the advantages and challenges that Dharma DM book brings to enterprise. In general, using Dharma DM book can give business an edge, but there are a few limitations to keep in mind. So here's what we suggest for the future. Researchers should provide more real-life examples to help users better apply the framework to their specific business situation. It would also be great to have a more detailed guide that beginners can follow to understand the framework better. And if researchers can update it quickly enough, users recommend being flexible and using other emerging IT framework alongside Dharma DM book to fill in any gaps. Exploring the limitation of Dharma DM book could be a great area for future research, and it might even uncover new opportunity for both researchers and companies. Here are our references. Thanks for your listening, and let's turn challenges into opportunities.